After-school programs have become increasingly popular in recent years, providing a safe and structured environment for children to engage in various activities outside of regular school hours. One such program that has gained significant traction is e-learning, which combines technology with education to offer an innovative and flexible learning experience. As a student who has participated in an after-school e-learning program, the interactive nature of e-learning fosters engagement and critical thinking skills. Through online discussions, forums, and virtual simulations, students are encouraged to actively participate in their learning process by asking questions, sharing ideas, and problem-solving collaboratively with their peers. This not only enhances their understanding of the subjects, but also prepares them for real-world scenarios where teamwork and communication are essential. Training essential tools. Education's after-school program can provide solutions to adolescents by offering a variety of activities and resources that support their academic, soft work skills, cognitive behavior, social, and emotional development. 1. Enrichment programs that expose adolescents to new interests and skills. 2. Mentoring and coaching to help adolescents develop positive relationships and build self-confidence. 3. Leadership opportunities that encourage adolescents to take on responsibility and develop leadership skills. 4. Health and wellness programs that promote emotional, physical, and mental well-being and awareness. By training essential tools. Education offering these solutions and youth development programs can provide a safe and supportive environment that helps adolescents develop their full potential, build positive relationships, and prepare for a successful future. In conclusion, participating in training essential tools. Education's after-school e-learning program has been a transformative experience for individuals, as it allows them to learn at their own pace while fostering important skills such as independence and critical thinking. So the next time someone asks why after-school programs are important, remember the journey of this student and the transformative experience they had with an e-learning program.